Alright guys, mic check 1 2 3. First morning back out on the Zamco. Oh god, it feels so weird, bro. Oh look, I'm matching. Yellow socks, yellow rims, yellow seat. Alright, let's get into some shots of this bike, huh?
Carolina kid, you know I gotta represent. Hoping God can save me, knowing what I'm doing is a sin. I don't need no help, forget it, head out in the friend to the end. People hurt me and I'm scared, so I can get attached. Some people down, I get this cash and I'ma give it back. Yeah, they used to count me out and say all my music trash. I can get attached to nobody, I swear I'm through with that. New J's drip, heard you talking down and I got proof so you can save it. They all got opinions about me, I don't care, I'm shameless. They gon' ride like we ain't had no problems when I'm famous. All they need is God, I hope they know I'm never changing. So you got a problem with me, leave or rearrange it. People always having something to say, but I'ma just ignore it. People talk at the end of the day, and I ain't tryna talk, I just been focused getting this cake. And I'ma go to Cali, having fun and get in the way. A shorty from Bahamas said she want a Bentley today, and that's tough. Started thinking nobody really thinking that I'm enough. I'ma keep on spitting lyrics, hope we make it to the top.
Oh god, this shit feels good. Feels good, bro. Oh. Is it me or dude? It feels like the handle. It feels like it's kind of bent to the left. I don't know if it's a handlebar or what, but it feels lean to me. Alright, so guys, make sure the view is right. So this bike took a while to set up. When I say it took a while to set up, it means that I took my time setting up this bike, and this bike isn't 100% because it has a little flaws, some little flaws here and there. For example, the clock. If you look at the clock, you see that the clock is moving quite erratically. You see, when the bike is not on, the clock is alright, everything is working fine. But you see, once the bike is on, oh gosh man, the clock is just moving erratic, bro. So that's something that we have to figure out. I got carried back to the place on my bike, which is Falcon. I'm gonna carry it back down there and make somebody down there look at it. Maybe them can help figuring out what's causing the clock to move like that. There are still a lot of things that this bike needs. For example, indicators. As you can see, the indicators, the old ones are still there. I couldn't get the indicators that I wanted. Couldn't get the indicators that I wanted, so I had to, you know, continue with these. Hopefully I can get the ones that I want by the end of this week or by this week. Front brake, the front brake, the front brake rotor warp or bend. So when you hold the brake, it gives you this pulsating type of feeling. You see it? So that's something that needs to be fixed. We need a new rotor, front rotor. Which me already have. I already have a replacement front rotor. So we just need to change the front brake pads and put on the other rotor there. Yeah, baby. handling feels so much different, bro. These handlebars, it just feels wide. And I don't think it... Alright, you see the handlebar that Cooley has on his bike, his is a little bit... Feel won't feel like it bending more. That one I feel like it the far, like it more straighter. But if I'm not mistaken, at the same length. If I'm not mistaken, at the same length. It's just that this just feels straighter. The muffler, I'm gonna be putting on a new muffler, of course. I have a temporary muffler that I'm going to put on, and then buy a good muffler, nice pretty one. All of them fandangos there, you know, some lights. Yo, me tell them I go customize a bike to the T. I'm gonna be doing to this bike what I never did to my other bikes. You see me, fully custom. You see me, fully paradise. Yeah man, that I go on, man. The seat is so freaking tough, yo. The seat's solid right now. The seat even not budge. The seat even a budge style. The thing kick like a horse. Shoot. God, this back tire don't feel so good at all. Come back, yeah. Backfire like nothing. Another thing as well, it needs like a servicing, like oil change, chain tightening and so forth. Just them little thing there. I'm gonna do the oil change at work. Can tighten up the chain at work as well. All of them little something that we can do at work. You see me? Yesterday, which is Sunday, the day before me set up the bike, it's a pretty hectic day. Had a lot of stuff doing. Plus being tired on top of that. Went to Blue Mountain like the day before and do some serious type of hiking. Burn me out. I remember I'm not used to them hiking there. So that burned me out star. One thing. But it's nice to be back on a bike, yo. I'm not gonna lie. For those who don't know, most of you don't know, I've been taking the bus for almost a month now, yo. Almost a month. I've been taking the bus for almost a month now, so that's been hell. I mean, it hasn't been that bad, but yo, me not lie. Every day I take the bus, it reminds me why I need to fix up my bike. It just give me inspiration and motivation to fix up my bike, yo. No joke. Oh yeah, also I have my mirrors to put on. Well, I have one mirror to put on, which is a barren mirror. Easy now. Easy now. I think more. Oh, alright, that's my top. Yo, the handlebar just, it kinda long. I don't know, it just feel long, brother. Man, I feel like then they wheel out. I don't know, man. It feels very long. Cool, the handlebar don't feel so long. Oh shit. Dangles. MT sound calm though. Like him having a silencer at night or something. Wanna see how I'm gonna negotiate the traffic with this. That was me last week sitting in the bus watching bikers ride past. Now look at me, bro. Burning up the town, man. God damn, bro. Shit. Bro, I ain't doing nothing. I ain't doing nothing, bro. This thing is just firing, bro. Yo. That's that built-up compression, bro. This bike is making good compression and good back pressure as well. Yo, that seat make me feel like I'm on top of the no, on top of the world. The seat just firm, brother. Say bye-bye to traffic. Usually with my handlebars, I'm here. Is it? lot of y'all might say, why did I sell my... Well, a lot of y'all wanted me to sell my 250, and a lot of y'all saying, why did I sell my 250? Let's leave that for another video. Let's leave that one for another video. Yeah, mate. I feel so odd. I can't see what's going on behind me. Yo, bro, I really want to see how the hell I'm going to do the traffic thing, bro. I want to see. Aggressive swing though. These handles are just so wide. I'm nervous. I don't like these handlebars, bro. I feel like I'm gonna cut them. And my measurement's kinda off, bro. Like, I'm just long, brother. This bike has a little push back. Wow, my youth rims up him Savero. Oh, this is nice. Rims up him Savero, brother. See, I'm looking down here because I'm looking for the mirror. Oh, but no mirror. Usually I would look down here and see what's going on, but shit, ain't nothing to look at. So far, so good. So far, so good. This is a true test of traffic now. Let's see. I mean, these bars are still wide for me, but I'm bike man over there, so that's the same guy. Dog! Yo, this thing is so quick. I mean, it's not super quick like a Japanese 250, but it's warning with things. It's warning. Yo! What's that? Yeah, I drive big one, I'm afraid I. Oh, a dog! Oh shit, my horn is gone, bro. What the frick? Something alright. Gas station! Ah, should have taken that turn when I had a chance. Oh god, it's my feet, bro.